good morning, good morning. Ang ating lunch for today ay tahong. Yan. Shell from the sea with malunggay leaves. So, yan siya guys. Oh. Yan. Ang ating ulam for today. Yan. Yummy. Diba? Sarap. Yan ang ating ulam for today guys, malunggay. Sarap. Saka tahong. Malunggay with tahong. Sarap. Bira lang makatikim na ito. Yan. Yan siya guys. Diba? Tahong. May tahong guys. Yan.